So here we are at the beautiful Lime Rock Park. This is our 2017 MK7 GTI Performance Pack. We're taking this out and we're going to be setting a baseline laps in this form that we bought this car. Go. Try one more. Are you doing a lap or are you just... Yep. See if we can get it down into a 105. That's what I expected this car to do. Fighting it over to the left side of the track here. Right on the curves. Nice. Early transition. See how fast I had to do with my hands. If I did that with the race car, it'd be spun out into the wall right now. Definitely throwing the car around to get the car to be more dynamic. We'll try fourth up here. Foot down, straighten it out. Up over the hill. Braking for west bend. Hit the curve, not too much. Back down right to the edge. A lot of tires still there. We're really pushing it. See what we can do here. Turn in. My foot down. Foot down, keep momentum up, momentum up. Come on, come on, come on. This is everything she has right now. Full throttle. And go. All right, let's let this baby cool down. 105. 105? So 105 is the time to beat stock GTI. I'm just letting this thing cool down right now. Doing some real soft laps, letting the air move through it. Yeah, it's definitely, I'm tossing the car really hard to get it to do what I need it to do. Throwing it back and forth. Right here, super violent on it. If I did what I was doing with my hands and my feet here, I'd spun the TCR right over there. Same thing here, my transition from left to right, I would literally chop the wheel back to get the car to dive in. So that's really where I see the big improvements on suspension. Overall, we can improve overall grip, but as far as dynamically the car, it's a quick change of direction that can really improve. You can feel the lag in the car. A lot of body roll, a lot of rubber bushings that are moving to their maximum position, stuff like that. That's what the 034 parts and stack performance suspension, that's going to solve all that sort of stuff. As far as power, I think we need a crisper power delivery. I did a lot of looking at the tachometer to make sure my shifts are all right. So hearing something while I'm driving would really help out. I'm sure the intake, a little intake rail with a turbo would feel awesome. We got some good stuff going on here. This car is a fantastic base. We also might want to look at oil temps. I think we're almost at 250 degrees oil temp on that run.